I see an old Arrow. Totally gonna go get some Arrow action right now because Tennessee Tornado rocks. Such a good ride. I love myself some old Arrow. Arrow seriously is like definitely one of my favorite manufacturers, like for sure. Always has been and always will.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
So I wanted to show you guys, if you look at the track design here for this Arrow, see how it's curved almost like a staple? This is actually one of the few that actually got built like this. In the long run, like this was one of their last coasters that they ever built. And this was one of their new track designs that they came out with in the meantime. It makes it for a lot smoother ride, that's for sure. So it was super cool to get on this awesome Arrow again. Such a good ride. Seriously, Tennessee Tornado, what could I say? That is one of the best Arrows that's still in operation. Oh my God, it's smooth. Like, it's so smooth and it's just a fun ride all around. Like, you really can't go wrong with it. Like, the layout's cool. Like, it's short, but it's sweet. And it's, like I said, it's a very smooth ride.